Well, here's a surprise. My camera showed up from eBay, from an eBay seller today. Not too bad on the shipping. This is the camera that I had to replace because the ribbon cable is gone, damaged. I cannot find a source for a ribbon cable for the JVC GZ HM45. This camera on here is the JVC HM50, and there's no reference for a ribbon cable for this camcorder as well. The seller shipped in a peculiar box. Anyway, I guess so long as it made it safely. And so we'll do an opening. Okay, now it looks like they wrapped it really well. It's basically the original box inside a other box, so I'm happy with that. Good job to the seller for decent packaging. And here it is, the JVC GZ HM50, which is very, very, very similar to my 45. And so we're into the package already. Let's see if we can get in here. And we have the installation or application CD-ROM disc. We have the warranty card, the JVC customer care number and documentation on the camcorder, accessory guide, US customers only, product registration. I'm hoping that this camera has low mileage, and lots of other literature here. Do not attempt to service the product yourself. No, tearing this down is a heartache. This is the user manual, user guide, and also in French. So we put this aside, and we have that little bar thing that causes it to go beep 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 when you try to get out of the store. And what else do we have here? Supposed to be everything. We have the audio video cord. We have possibly aftermarket USB plug, possibly aftermarket, difficult to say. I would think it is, no odds. This is definitely an aftermarket power supply, and the reason why I went with the same video camera or similar is because I have all kinds of extra spare batteries. Something's missing on this, but I think that's the right reference number for the camera. Perhaps it is. And here is the camera and some extra doodads. Let's look at the condition of the camera. Looks decent. Let's see. That shuts pretty good. Opens and shuts. And the battery is just a standard battery, but it's JVC, a JVC product. The bottom looks good. Strap's in good shape. Yeah, it looks to be in good, clean condition. This is the when you don't have nails, this becomes very... I'm a musician, you see, so all my nails are always well trimmed, so as not to damage the fretboard and whatever. Yeah, that looks good. Keep that there like that. And let's see how this works really well. The lens looks generally clean. So it's a 40x zoom, face detection, 8GB memory inside this, I believe. Nice. Can take XD or XC card slot, stabilizer, and high definition. Stand by for the opening. So the tried and true is, will it power on, will it work? I'm sure it will. So here we go. Could the battery be dead? It's looking that way, isn't it? Okay, no worries. Take the battery off, and please God, this battery will work. If not, we've been had. Will it work? Is this installed right? Yeah, it seemed to work. This here's a aftermarket, you see, and it's not as, doesn't fit in exactly like a real JVC battery. Well, a dud battery. He didn't say it was a good battery. And there we have it. Lens is closed. Zoom. And of course I have to do a little setup on this before I use it. So I'm back in business with a second camera for backup. Customer or seller sent me a dud battery. Could have said the battery was dead. I mean, you know, not a big deal, but what you're going to do when you live in a zoo? They want to sell the camera. No negativity. Actually, that feels like there's nothing in it, to be honest with you. It's so light. Yeah. Anyway, that's the thing. I had extra batteries. That's why I wanted to go with the same kind of battery. But yeah, unless it's discharged, I will check it. But I think the seller should have said battery is either unchecked or not working, because it was a part of the picture. Okay, so that's it. JVC, high definition, HDMI, blah 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 blah. The GZ HM50. That's it. Pretty discouraging about the battery. Would have been nice to have an extra one, but what you gonna do? We're gonna check this battery out now. Anyway, thanks for watching, and wish me luck with this one. I sure would appreciate it.